See Tesla Model 3 facelift reach top speed during development in China. The facelifted Tesla Model 3, also known as Project Highland, made quite a splash when it debuted late last month, putting an end to all the speculation, spy shots, and rumors surrounding the most affordable EV made by the Austin-based brand. Some of the headlining comfort-related features of the new Model 3 are the improved dampers and the greenhouse that's now made up entirely of acoustic glass, as opposed to the non-facelift car that only gets noise-repelling glass on the windshield and front windows. Another thing that might have gone under the radar for some people who are looking to buy a new Model 3 as long as they live in a market where Tesla is selling it, the US excluded, at least for now, is that the car has been developed mostly in China by the company's Shanghai engineering team. Discussing all these features and more is a new video posted on Tesla's official Weibo account, which later got reposted on X by Xiaotishushu embedded below, where Lars Moravi, the Elon Musk-led manufacturer's vice president of vehicle engineering, talks about how the biggest target of the team was to make drivers happier. At the 17-second mark, the black prototype shown in the video is seen reaching its China-rated top speed of 200 km per hour, 124.2 miles per hour. With this being said, both the rear-wheel drive and long-range versions are listed as having a 201 km per hour, 124.8 miles per hour top speed in European markets, while the 0 to 100 km per hour, 0.62 miles per hour sprint times are the same as on the Chinese-bound EV, 6.1 second for the RWD and 4.4s for the long range. Revealed 6 years after the original Model 3, the so-called Project Highland EV is already being built at Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory, with a redesigned exterior and an improved interior that features ambient lighting, a new infotainment touchscreen for rear passengers, and an improved sound system that can blast music from 17 speakers, 3 more than before in the case of the long range. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.